Ja, Michael Adams für Stock-Telegraph von der PDAC 2016 in Toronto. Ich habe mir dieses Jahr mal was anderes überlegt. Ich habe mir jetzt hier diese fancy Videokamera gekauft, so eine kleine, die ich auf dem Selfie-Stick habe. Ja, das sieht manchmal ein bisschen komisch aus, wenn ich damit wie jetzt hier rumstehe und die Leute gucken teilweise auch ein bisschen komisch. Aber egal, schauen wir einfach mal, ob das so funktioniert. Ich habe, basierend auf dieser neuen Kamera, habe ich ein neues Format hier erfunden, und zwar die PDAC-Quickies. Ja, also das sind Unternehmensvertreter, die ich wirklich nur zu einem ganz kurzen Statement, so meistens zwischen, sag mal, einer Minute und 2 Minuten, dann bewogen habe, dass wir einfach ein kurzes Update bekommen. Und ja, das alles in diesem Video und ich hoffe, es gefällt Ihnen. Viel Spaß dabei. So, jetzt habe ich hier den Jim McKenzie von Ucore und Ucore hat, wie ich mir das schon gedacht hatte, ja auch dieses Mal zur PDAC wieder super News rausgebracht und das wollte ich jetzt ganz kurz mit dem Jim besprechen. So, first of all, thanks for taking the time to talk to me. And again, at PDAC, you have great news. So what's new?
What's new? Everything's new. We are a development phase company, as everybody knows. We have the exclusive rights to a rare earth separation technology, which we think is revolutionary. Last year at this time, we introduced bench scale proof of concept, and this year at this time, we introduced pilot plant phase facilities. And so those are completed. We're ready to go to pilot plant, and in the next 12 months, we're looking to go to production. So it's an exciting time for us.
Ja, hallo, ich bin hier wieder mit Paul Kuhn von Avrupa und das letzte Mal, dass ich mit ihm gesprochen habe, war ja gerade vor 6 Wochen auf der Vancouver Resource Investment Conference. Deswegen jetzt nur ein ganz kurzes Update, was der Neues gibt. So, Paul, thanks for taking the time. We just chatted like 6 weeks ago at the Cambridge House. So, just a quick update. What happened since then?
Well, we're moving forward in Kosovo with our Slavovo project. It's being moved into a pre-feasibility study by our partner, and that's, I expect, will take about a year, and then if everything goes well, we'll be talking about building a mine over there. Okay. In Portugal, we will plan to resume our drilling at Alvalade, the copper zinc massive sulfide discovery, probably by the end of the month or early in April, early in the second quarter. So we're moving ahead. We're looking for partners on our other 3 licenses in Portugal. We've got 2 pyrite belt licenses and 1 iron oxide copper gold license. So I'm here in Toronto trying to drum up business.
So ist ganz lustig. Ich habe schon länger auf meiner Liste die Excellon Resources und bin jetzt gerade hier im Mediencenter. Ja, also das kann man hier buchen, wenn man registrierte Medien ist, wie ich auch oder auch der Joe Brunner. Ja, und dann habe ich hier gerade in diesen Raum hier reingeguckt und da sitzt der Cahill von Excellon Resources und der Joe Brunner. Und der Joe Brunner, es sieht so aus, als würde er jetzt ein Video-Interview machen. Und das hatte ich eigentlich auch auf der Liste. Was ich machen werde, ich werde hier mal warten und werde mich dann anschließen, ja, und werde dann einfach versuchen, das Interview vom Joe zu crashen und mal sehen, was ich dann auch noch rauskriege vom Brandon. Und werde aber auf jeden Fall auch das Video vom Joe, sobald ich da Zugang zu habe, dann verlinken. Okay. Der Herr Brunner ist jetzt fertig vom Small Cap Investor mit seinem Interview und jetzt werde ich doch einfach mal schauen. Joe, du bist fertig. Überlässt du mir kurz deinen Platz? Ja, danke. So, yeah, ich weiß. So, Brandon, sorry for this interruption, but I was looking for you. I was looking for you for the actually last 2 days to just get a quick introduction to my subscriber base for Excellon. So we only have like maybe 90 seconds. I call this the PDAC-Quickies, right? So just give me the basic facts, the main story in a nutshell.
So Excellon, it's really simple. Highest grade silver producer in Mexico, one of the highest grade silver producers in the world. Obviously grade is king, particularly in this market where, metal prices are still relatively low. But the cool thing about Excellon is that we've been in production 10 years and we still have a really simple opportunity to double our production and halve our costs. And throughout 2016, we're doing a capital upgrade to the project, which should allow us to get production of 2 million ounces silver a year, 3.5 million silver equivalent, and get our costs well below $10 on an all-in sustaining basis. Generating, cash flow looking forward, we're targeting about $10 million a year US at $14 silver, and that's on a market cap right now of about 15 US. So big chance for a return if you put any kind of rational multiple on that cash flow.
Right. So it sounds like you have an exciting year in front of you, and and hopefully for your shareholders too, right? I'm pretty sure. I put Excellon on my watch list immediately, and it will continue to update you on the stories and the developments, and hopefully next time Brandon and I find a little bit more time to talk. I would also try to get him commit to a CEO roaster video interview where I will have some other newsletter guys and we will have a panel discussion, but that's for later on. So thank you for now. Okay, noch ein PDAC-Quickie, und zwar habe ich jetzt den Brad Cooke von Endeavour Silver, und den habe ich auf dem Gang getroffen. So Brad, thanks for stopping by. And just quickly, what's new at Endeavour?
Well, Endeavour's focus this year is to make money at all three mines. Doesn't sound unusual, but in low prices, it's very important. But really the biggest factor in our growth is our Terra project, an exciting new high-grade find that we made a couple of years ago. And the focus this year is to spend $7 million, seeing if we can expand it 100%.
Okay, great. So the shareholders are looking into an exciting year. And so what's your pick on silver? What's your kind of target price towards the end of the year?
I'm going to give you two answers. I went to a dinner in November presented by the Goldfields Mineral Services. They do the bullion research. Right. And we almost fell out of our chairs when they forecasted an average price for 2016 of $16.80 an ounce of silver. Silver was 14 at that time. Right. And it still hasn't seen 16 yet this year. That's right. So that was their answer. My answer is I think in order to achieve that, you have to have a run to 20. And right now, silver's stuck. It's like the train that hasn't left the station. Gold is moving, the gold train is moving, silver train is stuck. I think 20 is possible as a high for the year.
Ja, auch hier auf der PDAC habe ich natürlich getroffen den Yannis von Goldsource, und da hatte ich auch ein Video-Interview gemacht im Januar in Vancouver. Da war es auch sehr spannend, und jetzt wurde, glaube ich, gerade der erste Goldbarren gegossen, und da habe ich mir natürlich die Gelegenheit nicht nehmen lassen, mit dem Yannis, den ich am Gang getroffen habe, kurz zu sprechen. So, we talked last time, there was end of January at the Cambridge House, so that's not too long ago, but there's some exciting things happening since then. You pulled your first gold bar, so...
Yes, absolutely, Michael. Thank you very much, first of all. After we spoke, we completed construction at the end of January. So we initiated the phase of commissioning in February. We are now within commissioning, and about 2 days ago, 48 hours ago, we poured the first gold bar. So we are going to keep pouring and obviously tying all the kind of commissioning kind of other phase on the engineering side. We hope to be in proper commercial production in the next 2 months. And, from then it's all coming. But we will...
The sky is wide open.
Yeah, exactly. The sky is the limit, as we say. But, everything is looking good. We expect also some gold sales, obviously, because still you produce some gold within commissioning, okay? So on the engineering front, everything is fantastic.
Perfect, thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Mike. Thanks.
Ja, hallo aus Toronto. Ich bin auf der PDAC beziehungsweise auf einer Reception von Zadar und Zadar hatte ich schon mal vor einigen Jahren besprochen. Das war ein Uran-Deal und jetzt gibt es was Neues und zwar steigt Zadar jetzt auch ins das Lithium-Business ein und da habe ich mir den Paul Gray geschnappt, der ist President von Zadar und ja, mal gucken, was es da Neues gibt. So, thanks Paul for taking the time to talk to me and as you might remember, like a couple of years back, yeah, we already talked about Zadar and it was a uranium deal and you still have the uranium assets, but now you're moving into lithium. So, which is good because lithium is hot right now. But on the other hand, I'm always skeptical because there's a huge run into lithium and everybody's coming up with a lithium project. So, why is Zadar the real deal on lithium?
Good questions always. Thank you. Zadar still maintains its uranium portfolio. We believe in uranium in the long run, and we will not be giving up on those. However, in the near term, we've recently acquired 2 projects in the Clayton Valley, which is North America's only producing lithium mine. Our projects are adjoining the production, and we believe there's a great deal of potential to advance them through quick and efficient exploration programs, and indeed catch a rising tide in the lithium market. So we don't intend to just waste our time there. We're going to do it effectively, bring good science, and advance these projects to production.
Okay, what do you think? Like a couple of years ago, there was already lithium was already hyped, or one of the favorite metals, and this is type of kind of lithium 2.0. What's the difference from this situation right now compared to a couple of years ago when lithium was already a hot commodity? Is that just because of Tesla, or what else changed?
A number of things changed, most importantly the price. There's been a 3-fold increase in price in the last 3 years in lithium. There was a small false start back in 2011-12 where lithium was identified as an element which is going to be required as we go forward. What's changed in the near term is certainly Tesla and their Enron's, Elon's project, which is only 3 hours away from our Clayton Valley, has gone into production, or has gone into construction. So soon they're going to be looking for lithium and they're going to be sourcing lithium ideally from a nearby target. And when you have North America's only producing lithium operation 3 hours away, of which we're part of, you can't go wrong.